Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut and trim videos using InShot. So if you want to cut or trim your video in InShot, here is a quick step on how to do it in InShot. So the first thing you have to do is open up your InShot app on your phone. Once you open this, then tap on the video. Then you take it down to your gallery. You just pick or select any of your video you want to trim or cut. So I'm just going to tap on this video. Once I do that, then I'll tap on this green button here. Then that will import the video down to the timeline. This is the timeline over here, and this is the video added by me. So if I want to trim the video, I'll tap on the video, then I'll move this trim line. So from here I can adjust. From here you can see trim. I can trim the video from any hand, from any angle. You can see trim again. I can trim from both edge, so the parts where I need the video, and also I can cut the video. So if I want to cut the video, if I want to cut it out, I can just split into two. So once I split, I can easily remove the part I want to cut. So if I want to split, I'll make sure the part of the video I want to split is directly on this preview line here. This is the preview line here. Then I'll make sure it is on it. Once it is on it, then I'll tap on split. You can see this part has been split from this. You can see split, and I can remove this part by just cut it out, which is using the delete button. You just tap on the delete button, and before you can delete it, make sure you select on the part of the video you want to cut out. So just tap on it. You can see this part is different from this part. This is another part here. This is a part here. Then tap on delete, and that's it. If you find the video full, like and follow for more. Thank you.